Gold just dropped $80 in a single session and everyone panicking. But here's what there's not seeing on the chart. Here's a head and shoulder pattern forming that could send price to 4765 or trap bulls in a devastating breakdown to 4325. In the next 4 minutes, I'll be breaking down the exactly what I'm watching on the 15 minutes 2 hour chart, daily chart, and you know exactly where to enter and where to stay out. Let's get into it. If you see the particular chart on a day wise, we can see that the price is trading around $14. This is the pattern it is trying to form. Okay, and you can see that this is the particular U pattern is supporting a downside, and I've clearly mentioned you that if the price move below 4500, we can see there can be a further fall. Okay, this is the pattern we can see. This is the daily chart. So looking at the daily chart, we can see that the price if keep moving below a level of 4500, there is a probability of further downfall. Okay, so on the daily chart, there is where the real stories begin. We have got a textbook of head and shoulder pattern. Okay, as well as we have seen there is an opposite U pattern is being formed. Okay, if you see this particular pattern, what it is trying to say, if we go on this particular level, okay, there is a clear pattern showing that there is a chances of further downfall, because this is the pattern showing and the price has already fulfilled this pattern. Okay, so focusing on this particular pattern is showing that suppose if the price keep moving down, we will see that the price can go below $44.94, which is a weak level. Okay, and then the price can go further low. After this level, we can see the price will go towards a level of 44.59 and it will move directly towards $44.53. Then this pattern will support downside. Okay, and if you see that after this particular pattern comes down towards 44.64, there is a bigger pattern supporting downside, so chances are high it will touch a level of 44.53. then it can come down towards 44.21, and if the price keep falling below this level, chance of touching 43.75 can be seen, and from there a level of 43.51 and then to a level of 43.11. Okay, chances are very high that it can cross this particular level, but we will see on a weekly chart about this particular trend. But chances are high that if it keep moving below 44.53, chances of touching a level of 43.78 is on high side. Best what you can do, you can trail your SL by $10 to $15, so at least you'll capture upside movement. Okay, but see, as I've clearly mentioned you before I move ahead, I've given the mail IDs also in the description, or you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. But suppose if it started coming upside, what you can see on the bearish scenario, you have to understand this is the pattern it is trying to form. If we are not seeing this particular pattern, because this pattern is already fulfilled, the second pattern is showing that if the price can come down towards 44.53, but if the price keep falling below 4500, chances are high that this bigger pattern will support downside, and we will see that it can come down towards 44.53 and then a further fall can be seen. Okay, once started going below $44.53, chance of touching 4400 can be there, and then it will move towards 43.70, and this pattern will support a downside. But if it started going upside, see, market is uncertain, you have to understand this was the bearish scenario I have clearly mentioned you. But if we go that, suppose if it started sustaining this level where going upside, what we can see, the next first resistance is around $44, which is a resistance one, and once started rising above this level, we will see that it will move towards 45.72, which is a resistance 2, and that is a weak level. Okay, so the price can go further upside and it will move towards 45.79. then there will be a zone breakout, so probability is high it will move towards 4600 and then to a level of 46.42, and then it will move towards $46.66. Keeping that in mind, see, a level of around 45 is an important level, and if it keep moving above level of $46.65, a further upside can be seen, and chances are high it will move towards 47.15, then to a level of 47.70, and once started rising over this level, we will see that the price can go further upside, and yes, from towards $47.96. Okay, this is what you can see looking at this chart. See, these are the two levels we can see. But if what we see, suppose if the price, if we see on a 2-hour chart, what you can see, suppose if you look at the 2-hour chart, we can see that the price is moving in this zone. Okay, and once the price keep moving below this level, chances are high it can come down towards 4500, and if the price going below this level, we will see it can touch a level of 45.90. This is the pattern supporting downside, and the price is moving in this particular range. Okay, so this is the consolidation zone we have seen. So once started going below 4500, chances are high it can come down towards a level of 44.93, and then it can move below 44.56. And once there is a zone breakout happens, we can see the price can come down, because this level we have seen after a long time, and this pattern will support a downside, as we can see on the 2 hours chart. Okay, and chances are very high that it can come down. But if it started rising, goes above level of 45.39, it can sustain that level, it can move towards 45.60. And once the price sustain above 45.72, then only we can see there can be a further rise movement in the price of gold. Okay, so you have to understand that this is a very important level. On the next 48 hours, the resistance is around $45.55 to a level of 45.70. Okay, if we breaks and hold above this particular with a volume, then we can see it can go further upside towards 46.40. But a support zone we can see towards 45.05 to a level of 45.10. And if this cracks downside, we can see a level of $44.35, because the price is trading in this zone. Okay, so chances of further fall can be there. If we go on more lower time frame, but what you have to understand that there is a clear pattern showing that if the price keep moving below 4500, a further fall can be seen, and chances of further downside will be there. But if you look at on a 15-minute chart, that see the price is already moved out of this zone, and chances of further fall will be there, and it can come down towards 45.04. And if it keep moving below that level, we can see a level of 44.89, and from there a further fall can be seen towards 44.67, then to a level of 44.50. And once the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also the description. Okay, as well as I've clearly mentioned you that on a 2 hour daily chart, we have seen a neutral bullish zone is around 45.65. If a breakout happened towards upside, we can see a further high. But on a 2 hours chart, the neutral zone, you can see that $45.55, and then to a level of 45.05. But on a 15-minute chart, we can see on a coiling zone that is 45.45 towards an upside. But if it keep moving below a level of 45.10, we can see a further fall. Okay, this is the very important level you have to understand. Okay, if its breakdown helped you see the market clear, smash the like button. If actually helps the channel more than you know. Drop a comments below. Are you bullish or bearish on gold this week? I read every single one. If you are not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit subscribe, turn on notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Trade safe. I'll catch you tomorrow.